Hey, it's Jeremy from Retro Shop, and today in our shop we have a 2016 Dodge Challenger that we have done a lot of stuff to here. So first off, obviously you can see that, nothing on here. Let's go ahead and hit a show mode here, and you can see everything, is addressable LEDs, and we've got a couple different vendors that we'll go through here. Let me change the brightness here just a little bit. Okay. So first and foremost, you can see we have grill lights, we have halos, we have Demon Eyes, we have Underglow, and we also have tail lights. So the outer racetrack and the inners are all going here. We'll come back to that in just a short bit. Let's go ahead and focus on the front for just a moment. All right. So I'm going to turn off the show mode. Let's see here. So right now we have this on our parking light mode. And of course, the Demon Eyes in here are from Diode Dynamics. So let me go ahead and change. Well, I'll just let them roll. Basically, they're set up in a show mode right now, and you can change them to whatever you want. So I'll just leave them rolling because that's the easiest way here. We have parking lights on. Of course, the parking lights right now I have on green. You can set them to whatever color you want. You can set the two different halos to different colors. No big deal. Let's go ahead and hit a turn signal. So here you see, left-hand turn, and not only do we have turn signals on the headlights, it's on the underglow and the grille lights. So we stopped the turn signal at the rear tire, mainly because I didn't like the way it looked with the brake lights. Let's hit the brakes here. So you can see underglow comes on with the brake lights. And of course we have a full sequential turn signal. There we go. All right, let's come back around to the front here. Let's get our side shot here. All right, let's go ahead and turn the turn signal off. So right now we are in daytime running light mode, basically. And with the flick of a switch here, we can change to pretty much any show mode that we want. So this is using the blue Ghozt controller. We have 4 of them on this car. 1 for the headlights, 1 for underglow, 2 for tails. So this is the kaleidoscope show. We can also do fireworks, which is here. This one is hyperspectral, which is going around the car here. Line dance is one that works very well with these. And you'll notice that everything starts right here in the front, goes down the side, and ends in the back. And of course we've got our tail lights going with it. So we're going to focus on our tails here for a short bit. Got everything off here. Let's go ahead and turn the parking lights on. So here you can see the startup feature. Not too many of these are you going to see movement in the racetrack here. Let's go ahead and hit the brakes. So we have an F1 style brake, and the underglow comes on with it. And let's go ahead and put it into reverse. And there we have a massively bright reverse light. Let's go ahead and put it back out of reverse. And the one thing that I really love is that you can change and have your show modes going with everything here. So inner part is one controller, outer is a second controller here. And of course we have two different line dance ones here. You can do a solid color if you want. Here's one called slats. You can come in and do a, let's see, where was it? Here's a strobe. So that's one that'll get you in trouble, of course. Okay, so I want to basically show here, we've also changed out not only the headlights, but we've changed the fog lights. Fog lights have the Diode Dynamics SLFs. We have Morimoto side markers here, front and rear. And let's turn on just the underglow. Fire this up from here. Oops. Here we have our underglow startup sequence, and then it stays on single color. In this case, we've got it programmed for red. So underglow is from Glowe Industries. This is their version 6. Looks pretty killer. All right. So the one thing I really like about the Ghozt product and all the stuff we have on here is that they're synced together. So I'm using 4 different controllers, but I can come through and set, one button and a show mode starts. That's using Blue Ghozt here. This is a Blue Ghozt version 1, and everything works together. So if you guys have any questions about this build or any other build that we do here at Retro Shop, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the post. Thank you very much.